Man, I can't believe I got start new Grounded series, and plus, all the Dark Buddy bros for troublemakers. What am I going to do now? I have an idea. I'm going to destroy the washing machine. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Alright, I'm in the bathroom now to destroy the washing machine.
Hold it right here, and Dark Pluto Buddy bro, and how dare you tries to destroy the washing machine? You know that washing machine costs $470.
I strongly agree with your father. That's it. You are grounded for the rest of the week.
Go upstairs to your room right now.
This is the worst terrible day.